Want to change a character in PUBG but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change a character in PUBG. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the inventory from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you have all your guns, clothes, skins and many more. On the bottom left corner of your screen, there is arrow icon. Click on it. From the given options, select the character icon. Now tap on the default character. Here you have various characters from which you can choose. You can also buy new character by spending a certain amount of UC. Select the character that you like. After that, tap on the use button. And that's how you can change a character in PUBG. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.